Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen in Google Meet in 2026. Screen sharing is useful for presentations, online classes, meetings, and team collaboration. First, open Google Meet in your web browser and join or start a meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar, click the Present Now button. You'll see three options: your entire screen, a window, and a tab. To share everything on your screen, choose your entire screen. Select your screen from the list, then click Share. If you only want to share one application, choose a window, select the window you want, and click Share. For sharing a YouTube video or a website with audio, choose a tab, select the Browser tab, make sure Share tab audio is enabled, and click Share. Everyone in the meeting will now be able to see the content you're presenting. When you're finished, click Stop Presenting at the bottom of the Google Meet window. Your screen sharing will end, and the meeting will return to the normal view. That's how to share your screen in Google Meet in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.